Okay, look at this page, page 68. So this one is about solving problem involving rate of change. So look at example 20 straight away. So diagram on the right show an inverted cone with base radius of 5 cm. So at here you know radius equals to 5. Second thing, height is 12. So height equals to 12. Fill with some water. Water leak out. So you see this leak meaning that the volume is decreasing. So later on, this one, this red is minus. So water leak out from a small hole at the tip of the cone at constant rate. So when you see red, you will know d over dt. Okay, d what over dt? This one is, if you're not sure is volume, you can see the unit cm cube per second. So 1 second 4 cm cube. So cm cube is volume. So dv dt is 4. And then need to put a minus there because of water is leaked out. So water leak out, volume is decreasing. So the rate is minus. So the question says, find the rate of change of the depth of the water in the cone when the height is 3 cm. So meaning that you need to find what? You need to find rate of change of the depth, meaning that find dh dt. So to find dh dt, you need to build the chain rule. So dh, copy here, dt, copy here. So what you need to put here? So you see you have v, right? Meaning that you need to have dv dt, dv dh, dh dv. So before you apply this, you need to use this chain rule. So before you apply this, you see dv dt, you already have it. So now you need to find dh dv. So dh dv, v is volume of cone. So h is height of the cone. So you need to form the formula first. Volume for the cone. So you need to memorize. So volume for cone is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So from here, you see you need dv dh. But here you have v, you have r, you have h. You have two unknown here. So you want dv dh, meaning that the h you want to remain. So now you need to substitute the r. Pi within kacau, because pi is constant, so no effect. So we need to find one relation to substitute the r. So how to find the relation here? So you can recall back previously, you ever learned about ratio. So we can say, let's say this one is A, this one is B, this length is C, and then this length is D. Then we can say A over B. You see, I can have two triangles here. I use different colors so that easier for you to see. This one. Okay, first one is this red color. Another one more triangle is this green color. So A is the length for this triangle, D is the height for the triangle, and then for the B triangle there, the small one, the red color. So B is the length for this here to here, C is the length from here to here. So we can make one ratio formula like this. So A over B equals to D over C. So the base of the green color triangle divide the base of the red color triangle is equals to the height of the green color triangle divided by the height of the red color triangle. So we use ratio like this to relate. So just now you have 5 here, radius, and then height is 12, right? And then this one is unknown, r, h. So we can form the formula r over 5 is equals to h over 12. So we can form the formula at here. And then you can do cross multiplication. So you will have 12r equals to 5h. Meaning that r is 5h divided by 12. So once you get R in terms of H, you can substitute this one, put inside the equation of volume, so that you only obtain equation in two unknown. Then you can do differentiation. So volume is 1 over 3 pi, so this one is radius, so 5h over 12, whole thing power 2 times h. Use back the basic formula, volume formula. So this one just copy down. 5 power 2 is 25. H power 2 is h. 12 power 2 is 12. And then just continue. Simplify. This one expand, put inside, so become h power 3. And then maybe some of you are confused at this step. So you try to push the unknown go outside. The rest is number. So all this is number. So you can key in calculator. 1 over 3 multiply 25 over 144. So you obtain this fraction. And then pi just copy. H power 3 put here. We put h power 3 here because later on you need to do differentiation dv dh. Because of here, I need dh dv. So continue. How to find dv dh here? dv over dh. So 225 over 432 times 3. So you will have what? 25, this value times 3. So I think this one is the answer lah. You will have 25 over 144. Pi just copy, right? H copy. Power minus 1 become power 2. So this one is dv dh. And then the question got say, when the height equals to 3. So you substitute h equals to 3, put inside. Substitute h equals to 3, put inside. So you will have 25 over 144 pi. This one 3 power 2. So key in calculator. I think you will have this. 25 over, you will have 25 pi over 16. So this one is dv dh. So after get this, you substitute, put inside here. So you want dh dv, but here is dv dh. So you just terbalikkan. So you will have 16 over 25 pi. So multiply. dv dh is negative 4 just now, right? So key in calculator, you will get this answer. Negative 0.8148. Can understand so far? This is how we apply to solve the question for rate of change. So my recommendation, first, how to do rate of change. You collect data first, what you have. After that, you build the chain rule according to the requirement of the question. And then you go to find the formula, form the formula in two unknown. And then sometimes the formula like this might have 3 unknown. So you need to substitute one of the unknown, and then so that you can have 2 unknown only, then you can do differentiation. Can understand so far? If no problem, I continue question 21. Okay, question 21, example 21. So you can try to read the question. The radius of the sphere. So now it's talk about sphere. So just now is cone. So this one is sphere. So meaning that all the formula volume, volume formula, surface area formula, you need to memorize it. I don't think they will give you in the exam. So memorize it. So radius of spherical balloon filled with water increase at rate 0.5 cm per second. So you see this one red again. So red, you will know d over dt. So d what? Radius. So dr dt. Positive or negative? Increase. So positive 0.5 cm per second. So find the rate of change of its volume when radius is 4. Correct to 4 significant figure. So find rate of change of volume, meaning that find dv dt. So to find dv dt, make chain rule straight away. dv copy, dt copy. So remaining is what? You see what you have? You have dr, meaning that here is dr, here is dr. So now dv dr, where you find the formula? So this is volume for sphere, right? volume for sphere, the formula is 4 over 3, I cannot write here, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So this is V, R. So only two unknown, so no need substitution. You can differentiate straight away. Okay. Previously have 3 unknown, so need to sub one of it. So now only 2 unknown, so can differentiate straight away. VR, so dV dr. So 4 over 3 times 3, you have 2 over 3. No, 4, sorry. 4, not 2 over 3. So differentiate, you have 4. 4 pi copy r power minus 1, so power 2. You see volume after differentiation, you will obtain surface area. And then at r equals to, question got mentioned, r equals to 4. So just substitute 4 pi 4 power 2. So key in calculator. What's the value? Key in calculator. Not sure what's the value. Can you try to key in? 4 times 4 times 4. What's the value? 4 times 4 times 4. 64, is it? 64 pi? Correct not? Can somebody give me response? 4 times 4 times 4. 64. Okay, 64 pi is dV dr. Meaning that here you can put 64. So multiply, dr dt is 0.5. So key in, you get the answer. So the answer is 100.5. Is it 100.5? Okay, look like different. Oh, the pi, I forget the pi, sorry. Got pi here. Got pi here. So 64 pi times 0.5. So key in, you should get the answer 100.5. But they say 4 significant figure, right? Okay, 4 significant figure, correct. So your answer is 100.5. So this pi, you can key in using calculator 1 or you substitute 3.142. Up to you, because the question didn't mention anything. Didn't mention by using pi equals to what. So today exercises, do 2.13, question 1, question 2, and question 4. So these 3 questions you try to do. Any question want to ask? Any question want to ask?